Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make a thumbnail by CapCut. So first thing, we need to choose the video that we want to have, and then after this we already have the video on our project. If you can see here, there is a cover options. Please click it, and then we go into the thumbnail section. You can edit anything. If you want to add text, just click add text and put the information that you want to have on the title, on the thumbnail. I want to click a happy vlog, and then we can edit the title too by use several features we have here. Click fonts and look for the great fonts for the titles. Okay, I think I want to use this, and after that go into the style. Okay, make outstanding titles by choosing the format. Okay, I want to have this yellow, and then after that we also can use effects if we want. Okay, let's have this, and then if we want to have another things like shadowing, we can choose what shadow that we want to have. Just adjusting it, and after yes, and after you're done we can also resizing this by click this and then adjusting it, just make it like easier to see. And if you have no idea about what thumbnail that you want to create, you can use the template that is facilitated by the CapCut. You can choose anything. Yeah, then there will be appear the format that you can edit further with the information that you have. Okay, so that's all for the tutorial how to make a thumbnail by CapCut. If you find that this video quite useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.